Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add app in Taskbar Windows 11. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to add any application to your Windows 11 taskbar just like this, then this is what you need to do. First, click on the Start button on your Windows 11. Then locate the application you want to add to the taskbar here. Then right-click on the application. Once you right-click, then you should see this menu pops. On the menu, locate and click on Pin to Taskbar. Then instantly you should see this pin to your taskbar. Then you can also select all and then search through to see all other applications you have on your Windows. Right click on it and then you can either click on Pin to Start or click on More and select Pin to Taskbar. So this works on all the applications you have on your Windows like this. And then you should see it pinned to Taskbar and then you are good. So that's exactly how to add app in Taskbar Windows 11. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.